Meaning of gutsy.
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 Gutsy. The word gutsy is an adjective used to describe someone who is bold, brave, and unafraid of taking risks. A gutsy person is someone who is willing to stand up for what they believe in and tackle challenges head-on. They have a strong sense of determination and resilience, allowing them to push through even the toughest obstacles. Being gutsy can lead to great success and achievement, as it often involves taking chances that others might shy away from. However, it can also come with its own set of risks and potential consequences. Ultimately, being gutsy is about having the courage to pursue your dreams and live life to the fullest.